Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create this gradient text effect on CapCut PC. Now we are just going to add in some colors. So on top of that I'm just going to add in this pink. Now I will then go to mask, and I think I'm just going to select split, and then kind of here I'm just going to feather it out to like blend it. But make sure like this line isn't showing, so kind of want to blend it here. If it's too up, you can like move it down a little bit. Then like I'm going to add in another color on top of that as well, and then I'm going to go to mask, split, and then I'm going to feather it out again. I don't think you'll be able to see this bit though, so if you want to add that same color again, you can definitely do that. Like so, and I'm going to add like a different color, maybe like this blue one, and then again split it and feather it out. I think you're only able to see just like a few of the gradient here depending on your text. Now we are going to go to library, and you can select a white background or a black background. I'm just going to show it with this white background. Go to text, add in your text, and I'm just going to type it in a black color, gradient. Select your font and adjust your font size, and then select these two, right click, create compound clip, and you're just going to select the screen or the brighten the brighten blend mode here, and as you can see you create this gradient text effect, and you can kind of like move it up and down to see like which part of the gradient you want on the text. So yeah, if you chose like that one, you can export it later and crop this out. So that is it. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!